All right, here we go. Black Diamond Hockey. Oops, there's tape on these. Steve, good luck, sir. Should be one auto left. Where's your bonus at? There's your bonus pack. We'll save that. One auto, and I would hope some color. And we have not hit a Druin yet. Man. How many cases are we going to have to go through to hit a Druin? Well, there's a Victor Rask Quad Diamond rookie to start it off. Victor Rask. Any relation to Tuca? Double of Adam Oates. I'm telling you, Adam Oates needs to be a blue in more products, man. Always Boston. Triple of Henrik Zetterberg. There's a quad of Steven Stamkos. Is this going to be the Lightning box? Oh, we got one of the awards here. Let's see what it is. Justin Williams Hardware Heroes, numbered 18 of 100. Justin Williams Hardware Heroes. Here's a red. What's it going to be? Oh, quad red. Mario Lemieux, numbered 43 of 50. Beauty. Quad ruby. Mario. Heck yeah. Mike Richter double. Double of Pekka Rinne. And your first dual jersey is going to be Andy Green. Andy Green dual jersey. Triple of Jake McCabe. Quad of Jerome Iginla. Jerome Iginla quad diamond. Triple of Vincent Trocheck. Triple of Greg McKegg. Love his name, Greg McKegg. Cousin to Frank the Tank. John Gibson for the Ducks. Triple of Anjay Kopitar. Double of Zach Parise. Base pack. Here's your second jersey. Thomas Hickey duel. 2 packs and then the orange. I get so anxious for that orange pack. Double of Craig Anderson. Triple of Ron Francis. All right, orange time. All right, Tyler Johnson is your single diamond orange. On the back, double diamond orange of Guy Lafleur. And boom, what is it? Brandon Kozin. Triple diamond rookie gem orange. Steve, there you have it, sir.